Now student, in previous lecture we learn how we can create spaces of dining hall, lobby and receptions. Now as you know, the washroom is also naturally ventilated. Similarly, the kitchen we have is also naturally ventilated, so we can discuss these um, after some time. And now we can discuss about the space creation of our first floor. So here you see we have this a big room. So this is our exercise area. Let's suppose we select this space, or we write this gym or exercise area. Now we change the name. We have fourth space, and now we write here exercise area or exercise room. So select OK, and now we create the space of this. So we have heated and cooled. Now we select this building type. Now from here we can select we write here exercise. So we have exercise center or gym. You can write here gym. So now this is our detail that we give to space type setting. Now how much area per person, so we get this value from ChatGPT. You can write here this question, how much area per person, and all these required as per ASHRAE standards. So here you the minimum 4 to 8 air changes required for gym space. So we write here so now we air changes per hour, area per person 25 to 50 square feet per person required in gym. So we have very low space, that's why we write here 25 feet per person, feet square per person minimum. And now sensible and latent heat gain. So from ChatGPT we check sensible and latent heat gain. The sensible sensible heat load is 350 to 500 watt per person, and latent is also from 300 to 600. So we take 500 for both sensible and latent. So we have this 500, it depend on the, and similarly we sensible is also 500 watt. So now we check lighting load density. So from here you can write lighting load density is approximately 20 to 30 watt per square meter. So we write here meter square meter. So we write here lighting load density 25, average of both. Similarly power load density for gym, so power load density is 10 to 15, we take 12.5 or 12 is enough. So infiltration, now infiltration in gym 0.04 is good. So plenum lighting occupancy schedule, so 7 to 8. So here there is we write this 24 hours, or okay, we have an hotel, so some people go at night, or gym is open 24 hours. So we write here for lighting we have 24 hours. Similarly for this hotel we also write. So outdoor air per person, how much outdoor air per person required? So it's approximately 20 feet per meter square per minute, sorry, 20 cfm outdoor air per person, it come from this. So air changes we go at maximum, and 8 air changes per person required. And now for gym we do all energy settings and then select OK. So in this way we can create space for gym.